G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So today is what?
Day 2 and 3
of Long Drive for a Drought. Now pretty much from this point onwards you spent most of the time in the driver's seat.
Yes.
Which was really good. Jack got a stack of hours up, a really good experience on dirt and corrugated road, so it's very good. Now the other really cool thing in this video is we get to speak to Brent.
It means we're raising money for a charity organisation called Drought Angels.
Now Brent is the organiser and the guy that really kicked off Long Drive for a Drought. He's going to explain a little bit about what this whole thing's all about, which is really cool. So make sure you stick in for the whole video and check that out as well. Righto, so what else happens in this video, mate?
It's actually awesome to see all the 40 series community getting together to help breaking down cars, like the pie van. I broke down for the first time on day 3 or day 2, I think it was.
Yep. All right, let's get into it and check it out.
Sounds good.
This is an absolutely sensational event. Righto, day 2. Jack's on the road today.
Yes.
He's going to take it on. So we've got 350 Ks.
350.
350. And a few more dirt roads. We'll see how we go, buddy.
Yes.
Be good, get some hours up.
Should be good.
Righto. Today, Jack?
Yeah. Not as dusty as yesterday.
Well, not yet.
Not yet. So far on Long Drive for a Drought. And this is the point that we're really liking these hurricane fabrication setup that we can put these XR6 seats in. Tell you what, it's a lot more comfortable than the original 40 seats on this type of road. It's the original Jack. Mr Landcruiser over there.
he doesn't have one of these stickers on the back of his ute. Going to be a bit sneaky and we're going to put it on. Oh, he's right there.
He's watching.
Let's see if we can get away if he's got. Let's go. How we travelling, buddy?
Put the sticker on my car.
No!
It won't last that long.
No, we're not doing that.
It might last the trip.
Of course not. What are you talking about?
One sticker that goes on my car.
I'm just
Mr Landcruiser
just
sticker.
checking out the rear cab here, buddy.
I saw you peeling it a mile away.
It can stay for a little while.
Oh yeah, mate. Morning.
If you're going to break down the 40 Series Land Cruiser, to be honest, this is the best place to break down with a community like this around you that are all going to jump in, help you out and support you. So unfortunately we've been coupled this trip, but been able to all get involved and help them out. And a whole lot of issues going on in here. This transfer case is playing up, it's not staying in gear. And look at that, how cool is that? Everyone's getting involved, they're going to get it back on the road. So I love this community. Alright, so we're at Claremont. We're just about to do a bit of a street parade with all the 40 Series cruisers that are on this rally, and there is a heap. So it's going to be pretty exciting. We get to make a bit of noise. All the locals are here, so it'll be a good event. Anyway, Jack's driving, so he's going to make it all happen.
Yes.
Good day.
It's not just myself, obviously I'm up here talking, but it's all the people you see in the blue shirts who are out here on the drive with us, who are the ones who are really contributing and really making a difference in terms of what we're raising from a funds point of view, but also spending money in these great communities and having a great time as they go as well. So I'll keep...
Righto, common occurrence. This is a bit of a line-up after each day. Blow out the old air filter. And you just pass it on to the next guy.
Thank you.
Right, here we are, day 3, long drive for a drought. So we're all rolling out. A lot of dirt roads. Today's just over 400 k's.
One of the longer drives.
Longest day, I think it is. So Jack and I will share the driving today. It'll be good. Good to split it up.
Yes.
Travelling behind Paul. It's only fair that we ride with his sticker, he's riding with ours. Chat with Paul a bit later on, eh?
Often unseen, the impacts of drought can be felt beyond the farm gate, with many communities on their knees because of the unrelenting drought Queensland has faced. 44% of Queensland towns are currently living with severe drought and the challenges that this brings. In 2019, one man thought up a way to shine a light on the struggle that farmers in their communities face. We're benefiting from that tonight. This was the beginning of the long drive for drought.
Right, here we are, we're with Brent, and this is the organiser for Long Drive for a Drought. This thing would not exist if Brent didn't put his hard-earned work into this and making it happen. Tell us a little bit about it, mate.
Well, mate, as you've seen, we're on a long drive for drought, which means we're raising money for a charity organisation called Drought Angels, and they support farmers right across the country, actually, not just in Queensland, and not just farmers and communities that have been affected by drought, but also affected by fires, floods, mouse plagues, anything, right? So we're out here raising some money, having some good time, and also spending a bit of money in these small communities as well.
It's sensational, and that's one thing that is a big key. We're doing it all in northwest Queensland, but Drought Angels, they're supporting the entire countryside for farmers that are needing this type of support. So that really blew me away. And this year's target, well, I'll run back a little bit. Your first year's target was $40,000.
Yep.
You topped that.
Yeah, we smashed it. We got 53 the first year.
Next year was 80.
That's right. Yeah, and we blew that. We did 83, I think, last year.
So this year you've set the bar even higher. We're at $100,000, and last I saw you at about 90, 95, 90. Where are we at now?
Yeah, about mid-90s. That's right. Yeah, which is great. And obviously we've got 7 days to go. So
how good is that?
Feeling pretty confident about the 100,000.
Yeah, now that is sensational news, and all that money, it's 100% that goes straight into Drought Angels.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, everyone's out here paying their own way. We don't charge any fees or registration costs or anything like that. Everything we raise goes straight into Drought Angels, and they go and do their great work they do.
How good is that? Now the vehicles.
Yeah.
Mate, this is
impressive, isn't it?
This is the draw card for me, and I guess pretty much most people on this rally. Now we've mostly got 40 series Land Cruisers. We have a couple 60s. It is so impressive to see such an amazing lineup just cruising along these roads and pulling into some of these communities that we can help out. I'm super impressed.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Like 40 odd vehicles. The numbers vary because we've got a couple of people joining us and some leaving and things like that. But when you see them strung out along the road, it's a pretty impressive sight. And we've got all sorts of shapes and sizes too. We've got old bangers like Rex here. But we've got some of the really modified ones as well. So something for everyone's taste, I suppose.
Absolutely. Righto. Well, mate, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Jace.
And I'm looking forward to cracking that 100K mark.
Absolutely. We'll celebrate that.
Absolutely. Celebration last day. So
good on you.
All right, thank you, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Good
Cheers.
on you. Second leg, Jack's gonna drive.
Yes.
You little ripper. Grab mine.
Yeah.
That's all the way.
It is all the way?
Yeah, that's solid as.
I'm just going to start it up again. You do that at home? You go action.
No.
Doing yours action?
Do it. Oh, crap, we weren't filming. Start again. Love a take. You're not wearing that in the video, are you, Jack? Go get changed.
Sort of behind the scenes.
Have you done a bloopers reel?
Yeah, we have to have one.
I can't remember if you did a blooper.
So what it's not doing is it's not engaging fully across in the pond, and so your gears have probably been running right on the limit of engagement. Set like shorter and put it back on. Oh, okay.
Lube it up.
Mate, they're not anymore. Not with Chem Tools R1. Just saved them.
So we like you now, wouldn't they, Jason?
That's a ripper, man. You know, out here in the outback, we've just saved a pair of pliers.
If it drops out, if it doesn't.
Was that, mate?
That was awesome.
Another 2 days on the road with Long Drive for a Drought. This is all about building memories and forming new relationships with a whole lot of different people out there, which is doing this for a great cause, which is raising money and awareness for all these Aussie farmers out there that have done it tough. So anyway, that's it for this video. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up so you can keep up with what's coming up with the next video.
Yes.
So until then,
Thanks for watching.